DJ MTV.
Welcome to DJ MTV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening in Nigeria and all over the world. If this is your first time of seeing any of our video, a very big thumbs up to you. Thank you so much for clicking on our video. Please go a step further, like this video, share this video, don't forget to drop your comment, subscribe to this channel, and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Do turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the very first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video, and check out our website at www.djmtv.news. Now let's take it straight up into the main news.
Wike talk say the survivor of Nigeria na the hands of PDP na in day. My people, this na still DJ MTV Daily News Update. Nyesom Wike, the governor of Rivers State, don talk say the survivor of Nigeria is say na the hands of the People's Democratic Party na in day. Nyesom Wike talk this one when he take visit the governor of Abia State, Okeze Okpeazu, for a hometown wey dey for Obiwa local government area of Abia State. Governor Wike come note say Nigeria wey dey for the crossroad, wey the case dey rise every day of insecurity, banditry everywhere, mindless killing na dey everywhere, people dey die yanfu, people dey die yamayama anyhow. He say among others say the challenge wey the party don rise up to na the occasion say they don join force with Nigerians and all members of the party to take power for the center for the 2023 general election. According to wetin Wike don talk for the New Year visit when he visit the governor of Abia State, he say na to go show appreciation give the governor for the true friend and brother wey he don be to am. He said this one na to also to restate the need for the PDP to forge ahead and to dey united as a front to rescue Nigeria inside the problem wey Nigeria don enter so. For the video wey we go watch now, so we come see Governor Wike wey come dey talk how e relationship be with Ikpeazu, the governor of Abia State. He say even for the Nigeria Governors Forum and even for the party level, say there's tight well, say their friendship nobody own reach there. He come say the governor of Abia State wey be Ikpeazu, so say na man of good character. He say na man wey be like say he don contribute many things to assist the party. Say the man sef don resolve so many controversial issues. He say many issues wey dey wan bring katakata. He say Ikpeazu don solve am with him own idea. He say adding come dey talk say he like the personal relationship wey he get with the Abia State governor, when he come describe am say na very deep and a very strong friendship. Make we watch the video, we dey come back.
Your Excellency, I decided to come to pay you a visit with my people from Rivers State before yesterday being the first of New Year. As brothers, as friends, you also have your friends, even though you are brothers. I said one of the states I will go and pay a visit and relax and share drinks with for this New Year before work starts on Tuesday. That Ikpeazu will be one of the first governors I must visit before we start to work in this new year. I say so because for people to understand, there are people you have special relationship with. Yes, we are governors, no doubt about that. As governors too, we know how we relate. There are people you relate with officially. There are people you relate with officially and privately. Ikpeazu is one of those I relate with officially and as a personal friend. And so I felt that you've given me a lot of support in the government forum. Even when I had crisis, you never wavered. You came to say, look, you cannot allow me to be disgraced, and you stood firm. I want to sincerely appreciate you. I want to thank you and thank the people of Abia. That you see, in life, money is not everything. Character is important. This is a man of character. It's a man that, of course, you know me. If if you don't, I will also tell him. I'm not afraid of anybody. But he is. You saw me as I came here, I went straight to take the cola and the egg. It tells you something, the relationship we have and will continue to have. And I believe that God, His infinite mercy, will make this year to be better than last year. Because whether we agree or not, I don't think this is a country we wish ourselves. And no reasonable Nigerian will say that he wants, as he wakes up in the morning, what is hearing is death. Not death caused by you. Maybe you were sick, no. Or maybe you jumped down and committed suicide, no. It's the day that you are going to the farm, you have been abducted. You are going to the market, you have been abducted and killed. I don't think that is what is good for this country. And that's why I said in Bauchi yesterday, God will not forgive PDP. If PDP does not rescue this country, God will not forgive PDP. So PDP has everything that goes for it now to make sure that we'll rescue this country. When these Israelites were having a problem, God directed somebody to lead them to rescue the Israelites. And that was Moses. Now, Nigeria has a problem. And the only way Nigeria can be rescued now is that political party called PDP. And if they do not carry out this function to rescue Nigeria, God will not be happy with the party called PDP. And all of us who are members of PDP, God will not be happy. Because there cannot be a political party if there are no human beings. So we must do everything we can to put our party together, to unite our party. Nigerians are waiting. Nigerians are waiting. So he's one of the strong people who have that. He believes in the unity of our party. Today we have a vibrant end of this because people like this came together. So look, I remember one of those days in our meeting, people will say, look, why are you people talking about this man should go, this man should not go? It's not the issue. The issue is that are you not hearing what Nigerians are saying? Are you not reading newspapers? The Nigerians are saying these people cannot lead us to where we are going to. So it is not a matter of whether chairman should go, chairman should not go. Read papers. Listen what Nigerians are saying, not we. So we must do those things that Nigerians are saying. That's what they said in the meeting. So people come here, you are causing problem, or he's having problem with chairman. People are making mistakes. What are Nigerians saying? And Nigerians are happy that these people should stay? No. So let's do the will of Nigerians. And that was what it did. And that was what. So, and it was that time people that said, what are you saying? You say, what am I saying? So you don't read papers. Nigerians are not happy with our NWC, don't you know? Don't you know? You come here and begin to make it as if it's between this person and this person. Please, let us not do that. Let's listen and do the wish of Nigerians. And that was done, and you see Nigerians accepted it. And you can see what will happen after now. So thank you very much. And let me also urge all of you who have been supporting him, continue to support him. Let me tell you one thing. In my experience in politics, the day everybody loves you, something is wrong with you. The day everybody loves you, something is fundamentally wrong. There's no decision you will take. Everybody will be happy. Right? But once your conscience is clear, that you are doing what you think is right, don't look back, move on. When people say, oh, people compare Abia and the rivers, that is not being fair. That cannot be fair. The resources available to us cannot be the same resources available to Abia State. People should know that. People should know that. And what is important is that if the national economy is not doing well, how will the state economy do well? Tell me how. Because all our state economies are dependent on what happens at the center. We are like beggars. Federal government collects our money that we are supposed to be using to develop our states. So it is when 17th of January comes now, He saw everybody eyes in Abuja. They say, look, what is there? What has come? We'll go and share. But nobody thinks about that. People think that. I know our people to pay tax is very difficult. Particularly when you come from a trading area like it, it's very difficult. Very difficult. So people, how many companies, oil companies that are here? So I think he's doing well to the best of his ability.
To my people, una don see am wetin Governor Wike don talk about the governor of Abia State wey be Ikpeazu Okezie, say na man of integrity, na man wey be like say a contribution to the People's Democratic Party, e don solve a lot of problem, and so e don talk say the problem of Nigeria say na only PDP na go fit solve am, and say God no go forgive PDP if dem no solve the problem. So my people, wetin una think about wetin Governor Wike just talk about now? So una think say na only PDP fit solve the kind problem wey we get for Nigeria? Make una drop una comment for the comment section below.
Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying with us to the very end of this video. Please do not forget to like, share this video. Also drop your comment on the issue that was raised, and do not forget to go a step further by turning on the notification bell, so you'll be one of the first person to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Do follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, and also check out our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop news 247. Now do not forget, you can also place your advert here at DJMTV, and be rest assured that you get good value for your money. Now until we come your way again with another exciting edition of DJMTV Daily News Update, do not forget that here at DJMTV, we set the standard.
Yeah.
DJMTV. DJMTV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJMTV.
DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJMTV. 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 DJMTV.